Hi guys, welcome to today's video for the Beauty of Christmas makeup series in December. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a no makeup look. So if you want to see the entire series for this month, it will be linked in the description and in the cards above. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. I just did some of the my concealer. What I like to do, I found this from Wayne Gross's concealer technique video. So first what I do is you can either use an eye cream or a moisturizer. I like to use an eye cream, so I just put on this one first. This is the Boussica Indigo Eye Cream. And then I went in with some primer. And then what I'm going to do now is actually go into my little concealer palette here. And I'm going to take, let's see, this one here, this color corrector there. And I'm just going to use my finger to apply it just because it's the easiest thing to do. So I'm just going to go kind of start right in the inner corner. I don't want to put a lot of it on, but yeah, I feel like if you use your finger like this, you can when patting it into the skin, it really starts to look like your skin too, which is cool. Okay, so that it's patted in on that side. Now we're going to go into this side, do the same thing. And then we're going to go into the concealer shade right on top of the corrector. To set the concealer, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting Powder, and then with one of the new brushes that I'm going to be using. And this is the liquid foundation brush from the Old Fashioned brush set with that. Now for foundation today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the color Natural Ivory. Like, a cap fell off, so I just have to do it like this. And I'm just going kind of really gently tap it into my skin. So I'm going to use an eyeshadow palette for the eyebrow powder because I can't find my eyebrow powder right now. So I'm just going to use that. I'm going to use this shade and just use this brush from the Old Fashioned makeup brushes. My eyebrows off camera. Now we're going to go into the Milani Clear Brow Gel. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my DIY eye primer just to prime my eyes. Alright, so now that my eyes are all primed, I'm going to go in with my Magnifying Eyes Nude Palette from Rimmel. And I'm actually going to take this shade right here. That's kind of the closest to my skin tone. So we're just going to put that on my entire eyelid. And I'm using the Old Fashioned eyeshadow brush from the new brush collection that I got. So now I'm going to do eyeliner. I'm going to use my Rimmel palette again, and I'm going to use this black shade. So I'm going to curl my lashes really quick. I'm going to kind of get off the excess mascara actually. Now I'm going to do blush. The same one that I use every single time. This is one of my favorites. And I'm going to use the blush brush from the Old Fashioned brush collection. Dang it, Pam. Wow, I like this one. It's really soft and it applies very nicely, which I like. I'm going to skip contour. So now I'm going to use the contour and highlight brush from the Old Fashioned brush collection. And using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. So for the no makeup look, you kind of want to use like a shade of lip gloss that's kind of close to your lip color. So I'm actually going to use this one from NYX. This is the Butter Gloss one, and this is in the color Creme Brulee. And I'm actually going to use the lip brush from the new brush collection that I got. And I'm just going to put some of the lip gloss on this brush, just like a little bit. I like it. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow. Bye!